Talk me through what you feel as if the Supreme Court will do with this case, if in fact they will rule on it.
Well, guess number one is that I don't necessarily think that, to Ken's point, the Supreme Court is going to question or take up the question of the notion of immunity if they do not have to. And I think that that's a really important distinction to make between how they will ultimately decide. If they do have to take up the question of immunity, I don't suspect that it's going to go the way that Donald Trump thinks it's going to go. And the main reason for that is the precedent that it could create for future presidents who are in office, regardless of anything that happens with him and his criminal cases.
And then when we're talking about a delay here, are you expecting a delay either way, considering the timeline that we're looking at? Even if we go and are waiting for a Supreme Court decision here, we're looking at 6 to 8 weeks. That's going to put us well into March at this point.
Well, Yasmin, but this is a guess I feel much more comfortable with. Guess number two is absolutely. I do think there's going to be a delay, and it's important to understand that most of the attorneys involved here, Jack Smith included, understood that even though you were looking at a March 4th trial date to start per Judge Chuckton, that was not necessarily set in stone. I think that was meant to be a guidepost for most people to understand. This is around when we want to get things moving. We want things to move as expeditiously as possible, but it was not so solid that these delays that are now surfacing were not to be anticipated in some form or fashion.